Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how TypeError method object is not subscriptable. This error message is typically raised when you try to use square brackets to access an item in an object that is not subscriptable, meaning that it does not support indexing. The most common cause of this error is attempting to access an element of a method instead of calling the method. For example, if you have a class with a method called foo, you might accidentally try to access an element of the method like this. When you run this type of example code, you will get this kind of error. In the code above, my_obj.foo is a method object, which is not subscriptable. If you want to call the method and access its result, you need to use parentheses instead of square brackets. Now let's run this example code. Here is the output you will get. In this case, my_obj.foo will call the method and return its result, which is the string hello world. Then 0 will access the first character of that string, which is h.
Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos, which can help and assist you further.